So me and my boy ended up making custom knives at this place. It's Verville, Tennessee. They've got a really cool, huge wooden knife hanging from the ceiling. Watch this video, see what you think about these knives that we made. You could feel the heat off this kiln like 10 feet away. It was very hot. Got straightening up the edge for Jace a little bit, just making sure it's right. And then you all get to see what they turn out like here in just a second. Here's how our knives turned out. There's my boy's knife. And there's my knife. And something really cool, these originally were pony horseshoes. That's originally what those were. Hope y'all thought this was cool. Give me a like and follow and drop a comment.